Chapter 9. The River Otter. While walking down by the side of a stream or a river, you might chance to hear a happy chirp and a splash. If you look carefully, you may see a long animal with brown fur sliding down the muddy slope into the water. Creep close quietly and take a look. You might be lucky enough to see a cute face with long whiskers peeping up through the river weeds. You have just come across a river otter. India is home to 3 of the 13 kinds of otters found worldwide. The smooth-coated otter and the small-clawed otter are found throughout the country, from the Himalayas to northeast India and the Western Ghats and along the Ganges River. River otters are built for swimming. They have a streamlined body, short legs with webbed feet, thick fur that keeps them warm, a muscular pointed tail, small ears, and a nose that can close underwater. Their long whiskers help them to find food in the river. They use their strong tails to steer themselves in the water. River otters love to eat fish. Much of their time is spent hunting for fish under the water. Though otters can stay underwater for a long time, they cannot breathe underwater. After a while, they must come up for air. River otters can grow to be more than a meter long from head to tail and weigh up to 14 kilograms. They are carnivorous mammals. That is, they eat flesh. Their favorite is fish, but they also eat snakes, frogs, birds, turtles, snails, water insects, and many other aquatic animals. In the wild, river otters live less than 10 years. In captivity, they live 10 to 15 years. When river otters are not hunting for food, they often spend their time splashing and playing in the water. Whenever they hunt and play, river otters communicate with each other using chirps, grunts, and snorts. River otters also spend time on land. They bring their food up onto the banks of the river to eat. They also make their homes, called dens, on the land. The young ones of river otters are called pups. River otters give birth to their pups in their dens. The pups stay in their dens until they are about 2 months, and by 4 months they are able to swim and dive for food. Most river otter pups stay with their mother for a year. For centuries, otters have been mercilessly killed for their fur, which is dense and very durable, so much so that furriers consider it the diamond of the fur business. In India, some nomadic hunting tribes are known to regularly kill otters for their skin and flesh. Illegal trade of otter skins takes place in many parts of South Asia, particularly in India, Nepal, and Bangladesh, mainly for export to rich markets such as China. According to wildlife organizations in India, otter skin, along with the skins of leopards and tigers, can be sold at a very high price. The number of otters in our country is rapidly declining due to this cruel trade. If we do not do something about it, soon enough there will be very few otters left. The need at this time is to start an otter conservation program in India before it is too late.